Good afternoon and welcome to the session number 16 from the playlist of alternating current. The topic is LC oscillations, and based on this topic I have written here two important points in order to understand this topic in brief. So the first point is basically the definition of LC oscillations. So LC oscillation is a phenomena which is observed in the LC circuit when XL is equal to XC. When XL is what? It is the inductive reactance and XC is the capacitative reactance. So in this condition, that is when XL is equal to XC, then the LC circuit is also called the resonant circuit. And when XL is equal to XC, then L omega naught will be equal to 1 upon C omega naught, where omega naught is the natural frequency of this resonant circuit and F is the oscillation frequency of this resonant circuit. Now from this formula, that is since XL is equal to, that is the inductive reactance is equal to L omega and XC is equal to 1 upon C omega. So here omega naught is the natural frequency. So by using these two formulas, I have written L omega naught will be equal to 1 upon C omega naught, and simply omega naught will be equal to 1 upon under root LC. Now this is the natural frequency of this resonant LC circuit. So this is an LC circuit. Here this is an inductor, this is the capacitor, and this is the voltage source. So omega naught is the natural frequency of the resonant LC circuit, and resonant LC circuit is the circuit when XL is equal to XC. Now, so if the natural frequency is equal to 1 upon under root LC, then this F is the oscillation frequency. So oscillation frequency basically is equal to omega naught upon 2 pi. So by substituting this value of omega naught in this equation, I will be getting the value of the oscillation frequency is 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. So in the resonant LC circuit, what happens is that the energy oscillates back and forth between this inductor and the capacitor until the internal resistance makes the oscillation die out. And the oscillation frequency is given by this formula, that is F is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC, and the natural frequency is given by this formula, that is omega naught is equal to 1 upon under root LC. Now in the next section I will be discussing about the wattless current. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.